What's up, y'all? Welcome to today's live stream. What is? Oh, it's my first stream of the month. I haven't streamed in about a week. Dealing with allergies at the moment. But I figured I'm at a point now where I can actually resume sharing what I do at work, kind of. So I'm actually trying to reproduce an issue that I received a few minutes ago, and I decided that instead of just doing it in silence like I usually would. Oh wait, are my speakers on? Give me a second. For some reason I thought I heard my speakers. In any case, I decided that instead of just working on what I was working on in silence, given that this is user facing, it's coming from our developer community, I figured I may as well kind of just share it. So I'll jump into the issue in a moment. Let me share my screen first. I won't show it in Discord because it's in the channel. Like, if you really want to see it, just go join the One Signal Discord. You can see it there. But it boils down to this. We have some new APIs that we introduced. Let me see if I can find those. Maybe not. So we have a new model of representing, I guess, users' data or devices or whatever. In the old days, we had something called player model, which is just another name for a device. So, imagine you have, a few devices. Like here, I have 3 different devices, and I'm one person. But in the past, we kind of like delegated that to our customers to figure out which one of these devices constituted a user, like who was the user behind those devices. Now in our new model, we are doing that for our customer, and it's really hard because different customers have done things differently. Not everybody's done all of the same things or the requirements to make this easy. So yeah, we're running into issues. Or at least I'm running into an issue, or at least this person's running into an issue. I wasn't able to reproduce it. I have this nice little, oh wait, let me close that. Yeah, I have this right here, which shows that it works for me on my machine. Yo, what's up, Josie? I'm not sure. I don't know. How do we know each other? Sorry. I feel like we know each other. You seem familiar. But what's up? How you doing? I'm just doing a little bit of streaming. Eating some Chilean flaming raisins. I think that's what they're called. Or flaming Chilean raisins. I'm not about to go get up, but they're delicious. And I have some oolong jasmine tea that I'm drinking, which is also delicious. I'm gonna start, actually have access to tea stuff. I'm gonna start actually sharing some of that with y'all, for those of you who like tea. All right, anyway, so they were giving me some steps. Did I note down their steps by any chance? Well, I'll just read them off, the shortened version, because I wrote my own steps. So my understanding of their problem is they're creating an external ID alias for all of their users. Now, this assumes that they already have a user. Now let's go and look at this user thing right here. So you could technically create a user. So let's just pretend that the user already exists. We want to update that user. But there is a way, like we need to figure out what to update. And I'm wondering if that's where he's having that problem. It's a very long message, so forgive me. Yo, what's up? Can I show you my new project? I don't know, man. I'm like in the middle of working right now. This is a co-working session, so like you can work alongside me. But I'm not about to switch up off of my work to work on something else. Oh, okay. Okay. I remember the question. Well, welcome back. Happy to have you back. Just doing a little bit of work, trying to get a little bit of something done, but also kind of show it. So I had just gotten up to a point. Well, let me finish reading the instructions. So they created an external alias for all of their users. Then when they transfer the subscription to another user, they get an invalid aliases error. And then, yeah, that was it. So they told me that was wrong. They told me that they're getting an error after, like the subsequent request after step 2. So when they try to send a notification. So I've gotten up to this point where I have transferred a subscription to another user. And now I need to send a notification. I'm going to assume to this new user. That's the part that's a little bit ambiguous. So I may have to go back to them and ask, like, all right, which user? But let's just try both. Let's see what happens. So in order to send a notification, well, we'll just look at the docs. Oops. So we want to target by an alias. So we're going to look for the targeting a specific whatever. So we'll just look for the thing. So target. Man, it's too many. Oh, wait. Include. Yeah, it's one of these things. Include aliases. So that's the one we want. And I should already have that, I think. Yes, I do. Dang it. Wait, shit. I thought I copied the other one. I didn't. God dang it. All right, let's just try to do that again. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right, that works for me. Here, I'll write my message somewhere where y'all can see it. How about that? That way I'm not looking off to the side. Why didn't it paste it? What the hell just happened? Oh my gosh, wait, did it just... Oh wow, okay, sure. I guess I'll just retype everything. Actually, let's see if it's in the undo buffer. Yes. Oh my gosh. Did I just... Okay, alright, fine. right, so this is transferring this. Honestly, we don't need that. That will be for my notes. This failure is, I need to go and report this anyways. It's like feedback for like, we can do better. Man, sometimes, and I don't like why. Oh wait, is there a way I can get this window to just appear in line? That's what I need in life. Make my life complete. Okay, so sweet long, yeah, and then we'll also send out the notification. Oh man, oh yeah. See you later, man. Nice having you. Nice having you. Yo, what's up? How are you? Suppose I'm alright. I'm just doing a little bit of work. At the moment, this is work. At the moment, I am answering what do you call these things, like customer questions. I have this Discord that there are a lot of questions here. Like all of these has like at least one question or something that I have to go and attend to. So I'm trying to get this backlog down because I have other work that I need to do. But at the same time, I don't want them to be left waiting for too long. I've had to kind of pare down on the amount of I guess support that I'm offering in our community at the moment, and that's because I'm working on our docs, specifically rewriting our docs. Actually, everything that you see on the right side, these are just parameters for one of our SDKs, or I'm sorry, one of our APIs. I have some other docs, and so you can see here. So I'll render it for you. So this is the one I just finished. This is relatively short. It's not much to do here, but yeah, I just wrote this one today. This is one that I got to finish. So I'm gonna try to get this done. And by the way, this is what the old docs look like. If you read closely, you'll understand why I'm rewriting them. Yeah, so each one of these is its own section of docs. Appearances, I'm leaving that for last. It's just too much. And yeah, the more. So this is across all of our platforms: iOS, Android, web, and all of the cross-platform things. As well as just like across all our different channels. And the thing on the left that you're seeing is, wait, why is that even here? Yeah, the thing on the left that you're seeing, this window here, these are just requests. This is a program here called curl. Assuming that you have a Mac or Linux or something like that, you can just type curl and you'll get information about it. You can type man curl if you want to learn more about it. Man is a program that gives you the manual of another program. So everything you're saying here is just so that I can send this to someone else so that they can see that I've done the things that they're saying to do. And it worked for me. This is a long way of saying it works on my machine. So if you've ever interacted with IT and they're like, oh, it works for me. No, this is me doing that, except showing my work. Let's put that up there. Okay, cool. So hopefully he can give me some more information or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to another question. And I can bring it over to this side now because it's not in like a private channel. I don't know if the other one is a private channel, but we treat it like that. Let's see here. You know nothing about IT coding, so it's very nice to look at. Oh, that's cool. If you want to know more about, I don't know much. I mean, I know a lot about just technology in general. Yeah. So if you got questions, I'm happy to answer. You found me through the Divorce Lawyer and found your channel to be super. Oh, that's what's up. That's interesting that you found me through a divorce lawyer though. It must be attorney, the lead. I like him. I haven't tuned in like a couple months. I've been kind of busy. But yeah, man, I love lead attorney. If that's who you're talking about. If you're not talking about him, then you should go hear about him. He's really good. There's another lawyer guy who I like. I think he's called Nate something. Nate. Oh man, I don't know. I'll look it up. Oh, yeah, literally. All right. Nate the lawyer. I like him. And Eagle, Zoom, Eagle. Whoever the guy is, he's like really fancy looking. I like him too. All right. So, oh man, there's quite a backlog here. All right. Going back to February 23rd. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Wasn't that like a month ago? All right, let's see. Hello, everyone. I'm using React 18 with Vite. Okay, so they're build bundle or whatever. All right. That's how I connect when I work locally. Okay. Like, all right. Import one signal from React. Let's just pull this out. It would be dope if like I can set the syntax somehow. All right, I guess I'll do it this way. JavaScript. All right, so they're doing some stuff. Run one signal, okay. Allow local hosting, yeah. And then they're doing this slide, whatever this, they're doing this. Wait a minute. Ah, okay. How do I connect to work and production? Okay. Which service workers needed to work one signal? Thanks in advance. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you talking about lead? Okay, all right, cool. I have a lot of questions, but I don't want to disturb you during your work. Yeah, that's no worries. Sometimes I stream. Well, I don't know. I don't really have a real schedule when it comes to streaming. I kind of just do it whenever. But I try to do at least 3 in the evening, and generally they don't have like they're different. You know, it could be whatever. And the ones that are marked chill session, it's literally whatever. I have zero intention to do anything but just hang out. But in general, it's cool either way. Like even if I'm in a virtual work, whatever. Mainly because it depends on what time of the day it is, right? Like I kind of have my own schedule, kind of. So yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it. But yeah, if you got questions, just ask it. Like if it's too much, I'll say it's too much. Be like, yo, follow me, and you'll hear it next time. All right, this question, I don't understand what they're asking. Oops, I don't know why I did that. I wanted to go to documentation. Wait, did that not? Wait, okay, there. All right, cool. Because we have like a thing for web workers here, or service worker, which is literally just a link to some Cloudflare endpoint. Yeah. What state you live in, and who is that lady in the picture? I live in Texas. The great state of Texas, the Lone Star State. That lady is from some movie, some fancy movie. Audrey Hepburn. However you say it, I don't know who she was. I just saw it. I was at an art exhibit, and like some other couple, I guess they were doing a viewing of that painting. And as I guess they didn't want it, so as they were taking it out, you know, they carrying it out of the viewing room, and it happened to catch some light where I was, and it looked amazing. It caught me, and I had them bring it back out and had them put it in another viewing room for me. And after about 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, looking at it with me and my friend, I eventually decided that I was probably gonna buy it, and then I did a lot of negotiating to get the price. To something that I was, somewhat reasonable, that we can all somewhat be okay with. And took it home. Well, I didn't actually take it home that day. I didn't get it until like another 2 or 3 months later, because they had to crate it up and then have it shipped. And what's cool is I got to meet the artist. He was there at the time, so I got pictures with him and some other signed crap. Well, not crap. I mean, I call everything crap. Let's be clear. I call everything crap. Not to shit on his work. I call everything crap. All right, so I was looking for the server worker because it's literally just like an import from another URL, and we're gonna go look at that import. Oh dang it! I said we were gonna look at it. All right, whatever. We'll just open it up. All right, see, it's just that. So that's technically the answer to his question, but I don't think that he really wants the answer to his question. That's my thought. In fact, I don't even know if he knows what his question is. I don't know what his question is. How do I connect to work? Which service worker is needed? Okay, so yeah, so all right. You know what? I did say I was not going to do it here. I literally said I would do it down here. Let's just dump it and some comments. Oops. Oh man, that was weird. I thought I had a link. Did I not just copy a link to this thing? Guess I didn't. All right, cool. All right, cool. Yeah, that's the only question I can answer. Let's see. Your voice is very monotone. I love you. Self-taught. Yourself. All this went to school and got certifications. So at some point, it depends on. There's a lot of things that I know or don't know. So let's say this. Yes, initially, for when it comes to programming, yes, I did somewhat teach myself, and by teach myself, I read the manual. So in a way, you can say I didn't teach myself. I read someone else's ideas and I absorbed those. This was the manual for the TI 83 in the section on programming. So I got my start there, and then over time I got more advanced, learned more languages. I went on to basic, Pascal, Java, and C, and then I even did C++. I didn't like C++, but yeah, everything up until Pascal and Visual Basic was self-taught. However, in 10th grade, I ended up going into the computer science, I guess, classes or courses, and did that throughout high school. So yeah, so from Pascal, VB to Java, those are all, I learned those in high school. And then I further cemented Java in college and learned C and C++ in college. And what other languages did I learn in college? I learned a programming language called J. Here, I'll show you some J code. I believe my professor was one of the writers of J. J Lang. Oh wait, no. J programming language. I don't recommend it. Here is Quicksort in J. It's a very terse language. It's really powerful. It's really flexible. There's a lot of really interesting concepts and like things in J. And if you can wrap your head around the way of thinking, then it's not. I mean, the syntax is trash. I'm not even gonna lie. The syntax is trash, but the idea is that it allows you to express is pretty fascinating. It's incredibly expressive, and by expressive, I mean that in the purely computer sciencey way of using that word, which is it's something that evaluates to a value, right? So like all of these things evaluate to values, and we can represent these computations purely as expressions, which I think is kind of cool. A set of statements. Yeah. Let's see here. Yo, what's up, Kyle? What's going on? How you doing? Oh shit, I forgot. We have our. No, I didn't forget. I remember everything. For a minute, I was like, "Oh my gosh, it's late, and I'm not in our meeting." How do you juggle your work and your life, exercising, kids, wife, family? Well, I don't separate them. My view. Oh, what in the hell? Hold on, give me a second. So my view on work and all that kind of stuff has changed dramatically. There was a point where I looked at them as separate, and I looked at work as work, and my personal life is my personal life, and this is this, and that is that, and all purely segregated and all that kind of crap. And that was back in the day when like I worked because like I actually had to work, right? Like it's if you don't work you can't eat, that kind of thing. So yeah, like after a while of being that way, I was suddenly not that way anymore, and being on the other side where it's like now it's like I genuinely choose to work, and I also look at it as like, what else will I do? I had the pleasure or the displeasure or the benefit or the whatever you want to call it, but I ended up going away and traveling for a long while. And I realized that you got to do something. Like you need some type of structure, and you need something that like you're working with people and all that kind of thing. So I started a little thing on the side, and that ended up turning into something. Yeah, it made me realize that, oh wow, like work is not that bad. I'm like, oh yeah, maybe that's how I get to meet people. Maybe that's how I get exposed to problems. Maybe that's how I get to talk to others and figure out interesting solutions that I wouldn't have thought of myself. So it's like I don't really separate it. So yeah. Now when it comes to exercising, I used to be a lot better about it. I haven't done it well lately. I used to go to the gym almost every day at like 5:45. Basically, I would have to be there about 6:15. I haven't done that in a while, but I'm planning to get back into that. I don't have a wife, and I'm not really looking for one. My hobbies are what you see me doing. So it's like the thing that I like to do is my hobby. The thing that I get paid to do is also my hobby. And the streaming thing is, I guess you can call it a hobby. I don't get paid to do it though, but I don't not get paid to do it, right? You know what I mean? Like it doesn't really cost me anything extra. Just getting home from the office, taking a break. I see. I have to go, but it's nice talking to you. Yeah, nice chatting with you, man. Yeah, no worries. Hope to have you back again in the future. See you later. Kyle's taking a break. All right. I am going to finish this response to this question. Oh, maybe I did already do that. Look at that. Man, I'm pretty sure that's not going to render the way I want it to render. All right, cool. I can move on from that one. All right, someone's built a PWA and they have an issue with event triggers on iOS. With event triggers on iOS. Okay. So their PWA installs. The app prompts to enable for notifications. OneSignal does initialize. They received push notifications in their service extension, so that tells me that they, at least I hope they did that. Oh wait, no, they don't need to do that. Never mind. So they receive it in iOS. Clicking on notification opens the PWA. Okay, so it opens the website essentially. Clicking on the notification opens the PWA if running in the background. Okay, all right. Permission change event fires when permission changes. Okay. However, foreground will display event fires when notification received. No. I remember trying to get that to work and it wasn't working for me. But let's see, maybe they've done something. My service worker is running in OneSignal and it's accessible. Version is 3. Whatever. My netcode is this. So they're on the old player model thing. But that's okay. Other than I don't remember anything about how things work. Foreground will display. I wonder if we're actually emitting that event anywhere. When I had the service worker in the root, the events were firing. Oh, okay. That's interesting. We're firing the app was open from a push click. Let me see if they haven't fixed this yet, Kevin. I believe you need a different app. Let me see if no one else has responded to that. Yeah, so I'll make sure I let them know I'm looking at it. All right, here we go. Mark it. I'm marking these for me because it's so hard keeping track of all these different threads of messages, communications. All right, I've since moved the service worker to a subdirectory noting the device. It may conflict with other PWA service workers and now it doesn't work at all. Okay. I don't see their initialization where they're pointing to their service worker. If I'm not mistaken, our initialization for that particular version, which is old, and by old I mean I haven't seen it in a year or two. Let's go to version 9. Back in the day. We're looking for, wait, what are they trying to do again? Initialize. Oh, gosh, it doesn't work that way. OS. Where is mobile? Am I just dumb right now? I'm being dumb, right? How did I get to? Okay, all right, fine. That's fine. Oh no, it's actually no, it's not fine. I do want to be in the client reference. All right, initialization. Here we are. Is this the one that they're doing? They're using React. I don't understand how they're using version 3, but they're using this OneSignal.init. which should be, oh, okay, all right. I forgot, this is the old docs. That's why we changed it. This is the web SDK. Yeah, look at that. Where is that in it? All right, fine, okay. So we can pass in something to do with something, path. SDK worker, okay, yeah, that's it right there. Maybe, hopefully. Wait, did he say he did that? When I had the server, they're gonna root the root, okay, but now it's not working. Okay, I've since moved the working service worker to sub-direct notary. Okay, all right. Yeah, they don't have it. I don't see it here at least. Oops. We'll help them out just a little bit. Not too much though. What? Okay, fine. I did do that. All right. I asked for that. It's fine. Shouldn't write code in a freaking whatever this is, Discord. All right, cool. Now we can move on. Wait, can we move on? Yes, we can. I believe you need a different app ID for production. That's how mine's configured. Okay, okay. Hey, could someone help me, please? PLZ. I feel like that should be a drug name. PLZs. PZLs. Pizzles. Peliz. I don't know. I've created a hook for one. Wait, what? I've created a hook for init one signal like in. Okay. And I did all setups, all required things in the admin panel. And I see that service worker is on my dev tools. Okay. I subscribed all notifications. I allow push notifications from my site. But I still haven't not gotten any push I sent. Man, it would be so helpful to know what OS he's on. Because I too also, when I do this, I think that I don't get them too. And I'm not saying he's not actually getting them. But sometimes I'm getting them and I don't realize it. I just have to like do this right here. And then all of a sudden I see all these notifications that I've ignored for the past, I don't know how long. What is this? Update. Wait, I don't care. Like, just leave me alone. I don't want to be reminded that I have to pay them money. I recently had to upgrade Lightroom to Lightroom CC. Not CC. Yeah, classic. Whatever, the old one. So I'm paying more money so that I can have access to the old version of Lightroom, which barely works. Yeah, whatever. I needed organization, so I went ahead and decided to, instead of pay them $9 a month, I'm paying them $22 a month. It sucks. All right, but let's look at this. Let's see what they've done wrong, if anything. I don't know if they've done anything wrong. Wait, hold on. What are they asking though? Oh, they're not getting the push. Okay, all right, fine. Fair enough. All right. All right, we got an effect. Yeah, we got an init function. All right. So if one signal initializing a rough current. Oh man, I hate that they got this from me. Ah man, I don't know if this is actually right. I'm not saying it's wrong. I just don't know if it's right. So anyway, if this isn't the current thing, then we'll set it to the current thing. We're gonna do some things. Okay, so after initialization, this slide is going to do some sliding. I don't know if that's how I intended this to be used. Although, to be fair to me, I didn't intend for this to be used by others. It was just me writing. I didn't think that people just copy and paste it. But I should have known. So how can we get them unblocked? With the limited information that I have, I really don't know. There's a lot of unknowns here. Like, what is their OS? That would be really helpful right now. Let me just ask. How about that? Just ask. What is this thing called? Mac OS. What is that thing called? They call that, it's like do not disturb mode or focus mode. Focus here, that thing. All right. Is this not a hyphenated word? I thought it would be hyphenated. Maybe not. Fine. Trackpad, pull up to, pull up. How about I say to open? It's less confusing. Now, this doesn't actually help this person if they're not using Mac. Wait, what did that just do to my thing? Okay. Does Windows have a do not disturb mode? Do y'all know? Or are there any Windows people here? I actually don't know if Windows has a do not disturb mode. Windows do not disturb mode. Oh, look at that. They do. Oh, okay, I see. Man, I have Windows, but like I rarely use it. I think I have 11 too. Is that the one that, yeah, because I remember having to buy it. I'm like, I thought Windows or Microsoft said that Windows 10 was the last version of Windows ever. That's what I remember. Do we all have such horrible memories, or am I the only one who remembers that? It's fine. I never bought into Windows 10. I left Windows. I was never truly really on it, but I used it extensively when Windows 7. Yeah, from Windows Vista. I remember using Windows Vista in college. Oh no, I started on XP. I don't remember. It's been so long since college. Wait, who am I? Wait a minute. Oh, okay. All right, I guess this is as much I can. I don't know why these like. Yeah, normally or in the past, I would try to direct people more to creating an issue, because this is not the way. And to be honest, I'm enabling this by even responding. I should just be like, here's the link to the issue board. Go create it there, because it asks questions that hopefully they're intended to get people to think. But just because you ask a question doesn't mean that someone will actually take it seriously. All right, so for this one, why is this? I think this is what we want to verify, which isn't. Oh wait, no, I already responded to this person. Yeah, I told him to move this thing. All right, perfect. All right, can you share the path across message? Hello, people. That's today, and they solved it. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna read it anyways. Recently, an error began to appear that I did not have in production before. It is a PWA in Next.js and host. Okay, using the latest version of React. One signal path to the SDK worker. Okay. Wait, what? The path to the SDK to the server SDK worker is accessible from the server with this config. So try. Okay. All right. Uncall error. One signal is my site is. Oh, okay. Well, that's not. All right. Just not using this option. All right, cool. Now I'll go ahead and like mark that as done. Oh my gosh, that was just a React channel. Y'all don't see. I actually started working on this earlier. Let's see. I only use it for games, playing games. I have City Skylines too. Yeah, too. But I can't play it yet. I can play it on the the M3 MacBook Pro that I have for a little bit, the Max. But on my poor little M1 Ultra, it can't handle it. So I'm hoping that when the M3 Ultra comes out, I'll just upgrade to that. I kind of want to wait until the M4 because I really want. It would be special to me if I can make this machine last for 3 years, but I've hit the limits too many times. Like literally, I hit I shouldn't hit swap ever. I've hit swap several times. I should never be told no by my computer. It's told me no at least twice. I don't like being told no by my computer. And it can't play City Skylines 2. And I pre-ordered City Skylines 2 last year. And when it was released, I promptly was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna install it. I install it. It runs at a full 6 frames per second on this on this computer. I know why. If I disconnect all of my other monitors, it'll work. It'll run fine. Like if I only play it on this little 5K monitor, that one, it should work okay. And this is, by the way, I'm getting 6 or 7 frames per second in 1080p. But of course, I'm running this in Windows and Parallels on a Mac. And I refuse to go and buy a PC. So I'm going to just wait until Apple releases a computer with a M1 chip or M chip that's fast enough to allow me to run City Skylines on my Mac from within, in a Windows VM. Or the team behind City Skylines will make a Mac version, and I can find, I actually wouldn't be able to get rid of Windows. I still need Excel. Excel is still there. When the whole reason to use your operating system is you have Excel, that might be an issue. All right, what is this? This is Android. Okay, let's see. Let's get into some Android stuff. Hey guys, can someone help me? I made an application. I already did. Okay. Let me mark this as done. Just for my sanity. All right, this was on a couple weeks ago. They did it here. You should never do that. I'm coding in Flutter. Okay. We have a Flutter thing. One Signal works fine on iOS, but in my Android app, I keep getting missing plugin exception. No implementation found for method. One Signal request permission on channel One Signal notifications. Anytime I call whatever that is. Wait, request permissions. Okay. Even if I take out this line and check the dashboard, I discover that the device remains unsubscribed. So there's no tick under the subscription status. I see it for iOS. This error has been delaying. Oh, okay. So it's working for iOS, but not for Flutter. I don't know if I've touched, shit, what did I just do? I haven't touched our Flutter guide in a long time. Gotta look at that. I wonder if they did this step for Android, because there is one little step for Android. It's mostly easy. So maybe it's easy to miss because it's so little work. Yeah, I haven't. All right. I see here I have not actually gone to this and made it not suck. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Here we are. Yeah, this. So I'm also going to just assume that they have done this because this is not that big of a deal. Let's see if there are any other things that may need to do for Android. I wonder if wait, did I write this? I had to read it to know if I wrote it. It looks like I didn't write this. Yeah, I didn't write this. I wonder if this is a Flutter issue. Wait, did I not respond to this person? I thought I told them to try a Flutter clean Flutter whatever the hell. I guess I didn't. All right, now there might be some other things. Let's see what else it could be. Oh, this is Android for implementation method, and then we'll say we'll put that in quotes. We'll also say Android. Oh, this is in Flutter. I'm trying to get document directory, but I keep getting the following error, missing plugin. I've seen this before. They closed this a few times because it can't reproduce it. Missing plugin notes from method. Okay, let me read this. Let me make sure I understand this, because I remember there not being an actual fix for this, and just do it again and it'll work sometimes. All right, I'm trying to get the documents directory, but keep getting the following error, missing plugin exception, no implementation found for a given method, get application documents directory on a channel plugin. All right, so basically they're importing this plugin, which is kind of similar to what they're getting. Yeah, on channel that. Let me pull this out. All right, man, delayed for a whole month. Wow, that's a long time to be delayed. So this is what they're calling this right here. This request permission, and they're passing something to it. So there's this potential bug here. I don't know if I don't want to put it on them. Let's see. We'll look for this function. Oh, excuse me. Wait a minute. They're using the new version? Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is all right. That changes things. They're using the latest version. So now I can go back to something that I somewhat know a little bit. All right. So yeah, request permission. That would be, oh, look at our new, wait, why is this here? This shouldn't be launched until tomorrow. All right. Never mind. Ignore that. You saw nothing. So we're looking for request permission. Are they using React Native or Flutter? I think it's Flutter. What if this is wrong? Like, what if that's the case? Let's look at some code. Actually, we'll just look at it. Yeah, I think I can look at it locally. That's easier, maybe. Sure. All right, either I am dumb or something's broken. Okay, it's mostly me being dumb. Okay, I see. It's fine. It's fine. We will we'll open up the actual. Oh my gosh. Let's go there, and then we'll do something with Android, and then that. Man, this takes forever. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I believe that. Oh, it's still loading. Oh, okay. Haha. Okay. Maybe I have no choice but to believe that. It's still loading. Something. I don't know what it's loading. While it figures out what it's doing, I'll just see what I can see. It's a lot of. Okay. What if I just do a search? How about that? Just do a straight up search. Requests. All right, what if we just look for permission? See, nope. Okay. All right, this is interesting. Why don't I see anything? Request permission. Yeah, like what the hell? I don't understand. I mean, there's still things happening. I don't know if that should make a difference though. What if I back out of one signal? How about that? Like, give me anything? Permission. Okay, it gives me more things. So that makes me wonder if I'm in the right thingamajig. What was it? Was it request permission? Nah, it's not in there. Oh, excuse me. All right. Well, obviously, I have no idea how any of this works because the thing that I was expecting to see isn't there. Now I can go and look at. I guess we will have to. Let's go and look at the flutter thing. What is this? One signal. Why don't I see it? Okay, well, apparently I don't have it here, so we'll have to install it. Or not install it, but pull it down. And what is it? One signal Flutter SDK. Oh, it already was. Oh, I did lowercase Flutter. Haha, maybe, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is what this little character here is for. You'll find it. All right. Anyways, let's do one signal in the Flutter. Actually, we don't want to do that. I want to open that using a little tool here, a little engine that could. Get a little bit of Flutter action here. IDE error occurred. Okay, fine. I don't know if I care. All right, cool. Let's see if we have any things we can find with permission in it. Permission. All right. I will admit that I'm a little bit perplexed. What in the world is going on? Oh wow, okay. I wonder, wait, what? So it I literally did a search for permission. All right, what's going on? Something is broken. Seriously? Oh, okay. I'm starting to realize that search in IntelliJ does not work the way that it works in the IDEs that I'm used to. What if I wanted to look at the file contents? Because I thought this was find in file. Whatever, well, it's fine. Look here. So what I'm looking for specifically is something that ends with a permission. I don't really care what the beginning of it is. And interpret it as a regular expression. I was expecting to see a function. Let's just go look at this file and let's look for some called requests. Nope, don't see it. You know what would be funny is if I'm looking at the wrong version of this project. That would be really funny, wouldn't it? Yeah, that could be really funny, maybe. Okay. Okay, sure. Let's do. Come on, what? Come on. Repo, view, web. I like that. Yo, what's up, Cannabis Botany? You got a new phone? Literally upgraded from the CAT flip. I don't even know what a cat flip phone is. But congratulations on your upgrade. What do you have? Wait a minute, I'm looking at the Flutter. Yeah. So they said that it's under. They call it release now. Okay. All right. Wait. What? Oh. All right. We need to. Some for later. I am going to assume that the latest release is this one right here. That was 32 minutes ago. So let's just pull this tag here. And it should be like tag. Actually, let's look at all the tags. Wait, whoa. What is this? This isn't Git. All right, how do I list? Which one of these is list? Is it L? Yes, it is L. All right, 5.1. Okay. Yeah, whatever. So we have 4D. Let's make sure that that is actually the correct tag, or not tag, but you know, the correct. Yeah, there we are. So now we can maybe look at that project, see what we see if anything is different. I don't know if this is promising or not promising. I don't know. I don't see the thing I'm looking for. Get this back to just being regular. You got an A54 by Samsung for 200. I don't know what that is either, but it seems like you're still Android. I assume it's still Android, right? So it's what you know. That's all that matters. It's like, as long as you know it, it's really all that matters. I thought about going back to like a regular phone at one point. Unfortunately, I literally can't do it. It's not even a matter of like because I don't want to. It's purely a function of I literally can't. Like I need access to my emails and Slack and even my car key. So yeah. All right, so I don't know how to answer this person's question because I can't even find, like, I know that this, you know what, let's attack this a different way. Let's not give up so quickly. So inside of my developers org here, we have Flutter. And they're trying to call a function in their Dart code somewhere. So in my Dart code somewhere, I'm also going to try to call a function on the OneSignal object. And I'm actually doing that somewhere else here, but we'll do it in, where's the button at? Yeah, we'll do it here. Say OneSignal. Is it capital S? Oh, wait. This is my state. I can't do it here. I'm tripping. Where do I initialize my app? I wonder if I need to do a pub-get or if I need to like reinstall something because I've been getting these Kotlin errors lately. Let's try doing a pub-get and we'll use the UI. I think they've changed the UI. That's one other thing that I should throw out here is that the UI is different. It didn't used to be this way. Let's download whatever this new version is. Maybe it'll fix whatever's going on. Wait, did it finish? That was fast. Oh no, there we are. So while this happens, I'll talk about this new lens that I got. It's for M mount. It's an M mount lens. It's a 28mm f1.4. And I think that I want to say that's the same focal length as what's on the iPhone. Not saying that I want the same focal length just because it's on the iPhone. I think the iPhone chose that focal length for a very specific reason. And I happen to agree with that reason. So I got one. So I can put it on both my new camera as well as my Sony. We weren't going to send that. But here, let me show it off a little bit. It'll focus eventually, I promise. Or maybe it won't focus. Nah, it will. I knew it'll focus. It's trying to focus on the background back there. Maybe it's too far or too close. I don't know. Oh yeah. There it goes. Look at that. Look at that sexiness. I got it on the Sony right now. I'm using it on mount at the moment. But here, listen to these clicks. Hear that? What y'all know about those clicks right there? Nothing. You probably can't even hear it, but that's all right. I can hear it. That's all that matters. It feels amazing too. All right, look at that. We get a new stuff. Okay, I don't care. Let's enable the plugins. Let's update the things. Yes, update now. Just do it. Leave me alone. And then we'll restart the thing in a second. Also make my screen a little bit brighter. It's a little too dark. I'm planning to do some video content around some of my camera stuff soon. I was hoping to get my Fuji X106. I'm a little salty. I got my order in by 12:03 my time, which means that 3 minutes after they announced it live from Japan. And they sold out immediately, I guess. So I'm on back order. I have no idea when I'll get mine. And I'm on 2 different back order lists. I have one at my local camera shop and one at B&H in 2 different colors. So at some point I will get one, and maybe in the future I'll have 2, and then I'll sell it for profit. Or maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. Curious, any of y'all into cameras, photography, imaging? I don't honestly. I feel like if you're in computing, or if you're a tech geek nerd kind of person, I don't understand how you could not find imaging fascinating. Like from every level is fascinating. From like the physical level, fascinating. From the things that we can, like the engineering that we get out of it, is fascinating. And with computing, also fascinating. Like a lot of this high processing, like vision is it's a lot to it. Lots of video. All right, this is taking forever. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stomach this. I just wanted to see if I can call this function the way that they're calling this function. That's really all. That's what we're doing all this for. We find out where that thing is. Here we are. So I want to see if I do this, what happens. But we're seeing how long it's taken for me to get to that point to see if I can do it. Oh, by the way, if y'all haven't seen already today, I made a pork chop again. So if you go check it out, see what a good pork chop looks like. Even if you don't like pork, I feel like you would still go check it out. Anytime you see meat frying, it looks delicious. Even if I'm unwilling, even for me, even if I know I'm not going to eat it, just, I don't know, just seeing meat frying, there's something about it. It's just the last update. Is there going to be more updates after the update? Oh, look at that. Kotlin failed to install again. Okay, so Flutter is not compatible with whatever this is. Okay, so let's upgrade Flutter. Did it upgrade or update? I don't remember. Okay, I guess it's upgrade. Oh my gosh, there's so much effort. Can you believe this is what I do to take a break from writing docs? Damn right you can't find Chrome. I don't have it installed. All right. Let's enable the plugin now. Oh, look at that. We get to restart. I wonder if this issue that I'm now facing has nothing to do with the tooling and everything to do with this is an old project that may be pointing to, yeah, let's go check. Let's just go see. Oops. I thought there was like two Gradles, like a Gradle. Yeah, this one. Is it this right here? Is it upset about that? Maybe. Gradle plugin, something. Okay. Let's just go look to see what we have it as now. Wait a minute. I don't remember having an instruction to edit that. Now I remember. Now I think back. Yes, this is the only thing we have here. It's for the just make sure that compile version is 33 for Android. Right here, compile version. Where's that at? Compiled SDK version. Yeah. So it's showing up as Flutter compile SDK version here. Let's see, Flutter. Oops. What is it called? Is it like pub spec or something like that? Yeah, pub spec. We're looking for like an Android something. Maybe not. Yeah. I was looking for a compiled, whatever that is. Okay. Which I don't see it. So I guess I can just define it maybe we'll do something. Let's see. We'll do that. Compiled SDK version. And then we'll say 33. And let's run pub-get and see if that does something. Wait, why did that not do any? Am I even in the right directory? How did I get to iOS? Is it Flutter pub-get? Guys, what is it? Pub-get spec. Flutter pub-get. Oh my gosh, I don't remember these things. There should just be like a thing here. There was a thing here. It will just run it for you. Oh my gosh. Is it Flutter pub-get maybe? Oh, okay. Yeah, it is. And it wants me to do Flutter pub outdated too. Fine. All right, let's see. What is it complaining about? All right, indicates versions that are not the latest available. Cupertino icons, Flutter lints. One upgradable dependency is locked in pubspec locked to another version. All right, so upgrade. Cool. Now I should be able to do this outdated again, I guess. And it should hopefully just say, all right, it's still one thing. See if I do the upgrade again, see if that actually does anything. All right, let's see if that fixed everything. Yep, cool. All right, that was very painful. Let's just do a Flutter run. Let's just see what happens. Oops, not rub. There's no rubbing going on today. Gonna launch on my iPad. All right, fine, sure. Can I be open? Okay, I don't care. Let's see what's going on. The pod one signal XF framework required by plugin. Flutter requires higher minimum iOS deployment version. Okay. Sure. Let's go to our, what is that thing called? A gem file, maybe? Wait, are we not using Cocoa Pods? Is it pod? Oh, okay, it's pod. Okay, platform. We're going to use 16. How about that? And then XC framework, whatever this is. We're going to use anything greater than 5, but less than like 5.5 for now. Let's try this again. Shit. I don't want to try that just yet. Let's go into iOS now, and then we'll do pod install. Maybe just pod install. No, okay, fine. Shit, I gotta figure this out now. Let's see. Could not find compatible versions for pod. Okay. Less than 5.1 equal whatever that is. Okay, and pod file. One signal XE framework that not greater than but less than 5. Wait, whoa. Did I mess up these versions? This means that it needs to be a version under 5.5, right? But greater than 5. Right? I'm not. They require a minimum deployment target. Man, it would be so awesome if I were told what that minimum deployment target is. So that way I can just go and just change it. Where are all of the places that this can be? It could be in, what's that file? The pod. Oops, not the pod, the pubspec. Not the lock. We'll just do this pubspec. Okay, let's try this. 5, 1, 2. see if it'll run this time. Maybe, hopefully. These cross-platform app things are a little bit challenging because you still have to know the underlying stuff. But now you have to know it more because you have to know all of their magic that they're doing. All right, the pod required. Wait a minute. Why did I not update it in the pod file too? Let's see what we have here. Maybe I put it here somewhere for what to put, what version. Oh, no, I didn't. This is wrong. Look at that. All right, where's the extension? Here we are. Here's our extension. Oops. All right, cool. So that's our extension, and it looks like we don't have the use frameworks. Let's try that. Let's use. Let's just copy it. How about that? And let's make this, turn this back to 12. How is that a solution? How is this the solution that they are responding? They're like, oh yeah, just remove the thing. Like, that'll solve it. Okay. I wish it would just tell me what the version that it's requiring so I can just go and change it. That would make my life so much easier. Because then I could just do a search for all of the versions for you know what? Let's just do that. Let's say iOS version. iOS version. Can we do that? No. All right, line 12. What is that? One Flutter, 1 second pod spec JSON? What the hell? Why do I have? I'm confused. What in the world is a pod spec JSON? Where does this come from? All right, now I don't see the iOS 11. So I wonder if that was just a lie. No, it wasn't just a lie, it's here. Where the hell is this at? Oh, wait, is this? These are being generated in the build? Where's this at? I wish that this showed, or maybe this is it. No, it's not. Yeah, I wish that this showed breadcrumbs like every other IDE I've used. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wait, did it do it? It showed me where it is, but that's not helpful. It's not helpful. That's just like, whatever, view, active editor, breadcrumbs. Wait, am I just, all right. Either I'm dumb as fuck or I'm not seeing these breadcrumbs. It could be both. Now my computer's starting to lag. Oh shit. It's not happy. Did y'all see breadcrumbs? Is it just me? Not seeing them? Do it again. I do notice that when I turn it on, all of it. Oh wait, is it here? Source path. Is that it? Oh, it's at the bottom. No wonder. Okay. Sort. Oh wait, no, that's still not it. What the hell? All right, fine. I guess I will not get to see where this file is. I have no idea where this file is. Let's open it and find her. How about that? Local pod specs. How does this get created? Who created this pod spec? It says 12 here. However, in this pod spec, which is, oh gosh, open. This is, man, people like this too. People love this IDE. It's interesting. All right, they're in the same. Oh god, wow, that was a really long way to figure out they're in the same place. Simply showing it to me in the sidebar, that would have made my life easier. But I think what I'm gonna do is just turn this into 11, because that's the one change. Like there's only one change required to do that. So we're at 11, and then we're gonna go to that pub spec that I played with earlier, maybe. And I don't have the motions. Like I don't use this IDE. It's foreign as hell. All right, I think we're good. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, so we'll do a pub get. I wonder if I can can I move this to the top? All right, fine, whatever. I guess not. So we'll do the Flutter pub get again. Actually, we'll do a Flutter clean. All right, get these packages, and then let's go into iOS. Now is it pod? Let's just do help. I guess there's no clean. All right, sure. All right, fine. We'll do a pod install. That doesn't work still. Oh gosh. You know what? I think there could be one other step that needs to happen here. How do I dock this again? How do I put this back? There we go. So we should be in the iOS, whatever. Gosh, how do you open up things here? I forget. But there's a workspace file, so we'll open that up. See workspace. So now we're going into another IDE. Look at that. We're going all over the place. We started off in a basic ass text editor. Now we're opening up Xcode, and it'll open up one day. Just trust me, it opens up eventually, always. Just wants to take its sweet time. I've noticed that when in highly designed interfaces, they are slower. I guess they want you to slow down. Just relax a little bit. I'm not trying to be relaxed though. I need my shit to work now. All right, so this is 12. Let's make this 11. How about that? No, I can't make it 11. Dang it. All right, well then we're gonna make this 6 now. We're gonna make this 6. Or not 6, 12. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, I forgot there was that one other change. The whole reason why I opened up Xcode in the first place is to get the latest version of the things. What is this? General. They're just coming in from here now. I'm actually, something is missing. Yeah, like I don't see the dependencies. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't see them. They should be here. There should be one for this. It should include the framework or something like that. I don't see it. It's coming from the pod, but I can't get the pod to actually install. It's trying to get the wrong version. All right, let's go look at our XC framework. Maybe there's a newer version of it. All right, 511. So we want, actually that should work. That should be giving me the latest version. I'm gonna drop the spec file. So we'll do pub spec lock like that, and let's try this again. Maybe we needed to do that to get the latest. All right, let's see what version of XC framework it pulls in. Or does it even pull in XC framework? Wait, why is this all caps? Nah, not here. Let's just say .1. How about that? Maybe we'll force it to get this latest one. See if that works. So it's finding this 5.1.3, but it's not happy with my deployment target of 12. However, when I change the deployment target to something that's other than 12, it still doesn't work. So let's say that I changed this to like 17, which is the latest, as far as I know. Or maybe not the latest, but like it's close enough to the latest. All right, so we'll also, we'll do that pod install again. Whoa, wait. Yeah. And we'll also go into the iOS app and change it there to be 17. And let's build and see what happens. All right, it fails. Sandbox is not synced with the pod lock file. All right, so let's do that. That's what I just did. It doesn't run though. That's the problem. I can't get it to run. I hate dealing with these pod file things because they're really, the error messages are really obtuse. But you know what? I guess I don't have to deal with that anymore. It's technically, I'm off, technically. So I can call this documentation. Well, I didn't work on the documentation live. I did that earlier. But yeah, I'm going to move on from this because I don't know. Go to his question. Yeah, we're going to just defer. Just go create the issue. It'll force you to give more context, I suppose. So we'll go to the Flutter SDK. Go to our issues. Go to a new issue. And we'll do, I guess, bug, maybe? Potentially. Actually, you know what? I won't. Yeah. I think he can create a bug. All right, look at that. I'm done on Android. Let's see what iOS has to offer me. Your doc still shows. I thought I fixed that. Oh wait, your doc still shows. Oh no. It's deprecated. But let me see if I think I fixed that in the docs that I've been working on. Okay, no. So I want to say that these are still here. They're just in my notes somewhere. And yeah, targeting, message targeting. Was it player IDs? Yeah. I marked that as deprecated, so we're good. Let's go look at it. We have an iOS app that we are now adding. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. That's fucking dope. Vision OS support to does one signal XC framework support? No, it does not actually. I've been enabled. Yes. All right, yeah, this could be fucking phenomenal. All right, so let's go to the team. They're all in California, so like it's middle of their day for them. Just give them a link to the thing. We're gonna see copy message link. All right, cool. That's just a request. We're done. And I'm also now done with work. We're done with work. If y'all got questions regarding anything that's not work, then now's the time. No, I'll be around for, I don't know, I can be around for as late as 6 or so. So what do you have? What do y'all have to say for yourselves? Did y'all go see my pork chop videos? If not, you should go look at those. And then, yeah, I kind of feel bad that y'all have gone y'all's whole life without knowing that my food is fucking amazing. And you don't even know about it. I don't know that I've been eating on God tier for like the past decade or so, but you go check it out. You'll see. All right, let me go ahead and close this for now. Or actually, no, there's another thread in here. Jet for me. Your docs still show okay. Moreover, I'm using post notification schedule. Oh, there's more. Oh, I'm not done. I'm using post notification. Post notification to schedule an event. A notification back to the same user, which I get from one signal. Get device state user ID. Does that work when sent as external user ID? I don't even understand. But let's go to the next one. I'm experimenting with sending different values. I had one notification go through as expected earlier, but now I'm seeing no messages posted at all. When he says post, like, man, what does that mean? It's just like, it obviously it is posting to the server because that's what you do. The dashboard doesn't show any oh, okay, well that's fine. Yeah, the dashboard won't show that. He thinks he's gonna, yeah, good luck. build your own server. Let's see. Part of this is maybe simple to answer. And let's see, if we go to my dashboard, and he is trying to, what was he trying to do? The API stuff. So we'll look for this user model thing, and there should be delivery, and it should be API. So I'm pretty sure it's there. All right, and then this one right here. I don't know if I know what post notification is. And maybe I should know, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't. Okay, they're not using, what's the new get device state user ID? Okay, they're using, okay. I wonder if did they ever say what version of, they did. It's literally here. They're using the, okay, that, it all makes sense. I'm like, we don't have that function anymore, but that explains it. So they're using this, and what are they saying about this? No. Wait, what? So he's sending a message back to that same user. Does that work when sent as external user ID? But what is he referring to? Like, what is that? What's the antecedent to that? Because as far as I understand, this doesn't take anything. Oh, I see what's happening. Man, okay. I didn't write this, but like, okay. This is confusing. I see what they're having issues with. Uh, this is a mixed issue, really. It's the fact that the API isn't clear, and also that it's not clear on the SDK either. And then you mix them both together, and it becomes like confusing as hell. So it looks like they're unable, like they want to be able to send with this external ID here. And if we do that, the question is, can we put aliases here? Can we put like included aliases or something like that? In this case, include player IDs. The only way to know this is if we go to the REST API and we'll look at the targeting here. I want to say that it is include external IDs or something like that. Yeah, include external user IDs. Oh, fuck. This is why I freaking hate Discord. For whatever reason, and this has been, maybe let's see if they fix it. But for whatever reason, like you can't change the keybinds to have command enter actually send. But maybe they've changed it. You know, maybe they fixed it after years of not. Let's see, where's send message? Yeah, I don't see a way to change send message. Any of you who are watching, y'all the internet people, how do I send messages using command enter? And don't say I can press shift enter. That's not a solution. That's an anti-solution. I want to know, how can I send a message Slack style where I compose my message and then I do command enter and it then sends it. Like, for all the things that I can customize, I don't understand why I can't customize sending when I can do that quite easily in Slack. What? Man, why can't I spell? Like, what the hell? All right, cool. I think I'm done around for that. I'm done with that for real this time. Let me close it so that I can for real be done. Look at that. Just like that. Do I need to update anything here? No. I don't understand why Mac OS keeps doing that. It keeps switching my my workspace whenever I okay, it didn't do it this time. Fine. Scarred all. It's not doing all right, fine. Now it's not doing it at all. All right, well, I guess there's nothing that no one wants to say, so I guess I'll say some words. I'm out. Peace.